we're asked to categorize each question based on whether it would produce numerical or categorical data. And pause this video, have a go at that. And just as a reminder, numerical data, that's things that can be measured with numbers or ordered with numbers. While categorical data, that's different categories or labels or groups. So pause this video, have a go at it. Okay, now let's look at this first one. How many minutes do you usually spend outside each day? Well, this is going to be a number. So this is going to be a clear instance of numerical data. It might be you spend 60 minutes outside each day, 180 minutes outside each day, but it's going to be a number, so definitely numerical. All right, next. What is your favorite outdoor activity? Well, I can't answer 3 to that, or 5. I would say things like biking, or walking, or playing basketball. So these are categories of things, groups of things. So this one is clearly categorical. How many books do you read each month or per month? Once again, this is going to be a number. Your answer is going to be like 5 or 10. Going to be a number. So this is, again, numerical. What sport do you enjoy playing the most? If I said 3, that's not going to really answer this question. Or if I said 12, it doesn't answer this question. But I could say basketball, football, soccer. These are categories. These are labels. These are groups. So I'll connect it with the categorical data. Last but not least, how many hours of sleep? The how many is a good clue, or how much is a good clue that you're dealing with numerical data. How many hours of sleep do you usually get on a school night? That is a number. You might say 8 hours, 9 hours, 7 hours, whatever. It's going to be an actual number. If it said, what type of bed do you prefer to sleep on? Well, then that would be categorical.